How to fix Venmo app error. Here, to fix the issue, the first thing you can do is check your internet speed because the minimum speed required for Venmo app is usually 2 to 3 Mbps. If it is below 2 to 3 Mbps, it can't run smoothly. So for that, you need to do a speed test. So let's go to any of the browser that you have on your device and search for speed test. And go to any of the speed tester. I'm gonna tap on this second link. You may just use any of the speed tester. And here you can see I have 2.6 Mbps, which means I have a good speed for the Venmo app to run smoothly. So if you don't have that much speed, then you may consider to contact your internet provider to provide you with better speed. So the next step is, even after you fixed your internet issue or the speed test, if it doesn't work, what you can do is just go to Google Play Store and look for the updated version. For that, just go to Google Play Store and then search for Venmo. After that, see if the app needs any update or not. You can see the update option here. If the update option is available, just tap on update and your Venmo app will be updated, which may fix your issue. And the next thing that we can do to fix this error is just go to settings and look for apps, or you may just long press on it and tap on the eye icon and go to the storage of that app. And here you can see two options below called clear data and clear cache. You may just tap on clear cache, which will help to fix the error that is happening on your Venmo app. If that doesn't work, you may just clear the data and reset everything. And the very last step that we may follow is just uninstalling the app and reinstalling onto your device. And I'm sure one of the steps is gonna work on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.